Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This Cas module here get corrupted, and I'm just trying to see if I can program it again. The good about this tool is that when the Cas module is messed up while you're programming it, actually I was using Hotel, try to downgrade it, and suddenly it's gone. It fell. So I connect these tools here, and I say it would take 5 minutes to do it, and it gives you a message that hey, Cas is corrupted. So right now I'm downloading the software, try to program it to make it working again, and then from there, if everything become live, then I will go to manage the Cas module, and then learn the key if everything is go well. This is all key lost, as you see here. Sometimes it's kind of funny, but good news is with that one, I was not even able to communicate with the car again. But here you see there is no VIN, ECU VIN, and all this is not there. So I will program it, code it, flash it, and then take it from there. Thank you for watching.